Okay, so this is our first snowman we've ever built together. In fact, I don't even remember when the last time
We've never
was.
had enough snow to make a snowman.
No, we haven't. I don't remember when the last time was I built a snowman. It's been years. And we cheated a little bit because the boys had built a snowman yesterday and it had fallen over and melted, and so we used 2 of their snowman pieces to start
we
with.
would have never gotten it.
Or because the snow is not the best snow today to make a snowman, so we fortunately had a good starting point, and I think it turned out pretty good.
We had fun.
Yeah.
Bailey had fun. Of course,
thing-
now she's inside.
Yeah, Bailey got cold. So I think he turned out real well. Look at him. Looks like a handsome dude. Except for we didn't get buttons on his body, but that's okay.
That's okay.
He is a cool looking snowman. And the red bow is a nice touch.
Yes. Okay.
Yeah.